Bonjour everyone, Madam Blue here and welcome back to my channel. And today we have a full transformation. We're doing a takedown of a sew-in, shampooing of extensions, shampoo and deep condition of the natural hair, braid down, reinstall. I'm not going to talk too much. I'm actually not even going to put music over this. I'm just going to let the natural salon noises be the music. TTYO.
Mi mamá se me caía y pensaba que yo me las quitaba y me regañaba. Siempre. Era casi sólida. Son bien difíciles. Oh my God.
Louisiana. Oh no, that says California. Just kidding. The state. And you're gonna like comb through all these videos and like snip it. And I was very grateful that I found him because the girl that I went to, so I was like, yeah, I won't be doing that great. No. Come on, springtime. And he likes to butt his head into me. It's like, he likes you. It's crazy as hell. And then when she turned like 60 something, she was like, I'm not gonna adopt. But it's not like you get like, it was like separate.
And 7.1. 7.1 ash.
Like, what? What do we do then? Just fighting over the doctor, right? No, they were just saying like he's crazy. Like, don't go near him. Something's wrong with him. Blah 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 blah.
Doctor Spike. Maybe it once was, years ago. But his stench was like
I like it. Giving
like a
baggy.
wall.